Hi, my name is Chris. So the Spotify car thing is meant for your car, but I was thinking to myself, what else can I use this for? And I came up with an idea. Instead of putting this in my car, I was going to use it as part of my desk setup. Let me show you. So I've been using this thing for a couple weeks now, and it basically acts as a really cool multimedia controller. I know I have these controls built in on my keyboard here on the right, but there's so much more you can do with the Spotify car thing. Now, some features I'll mention may seem like really simple features with easy fixes, but I just want to preface first and foremost, this just looks really cool. I like extra screens wherever I can put them, and whenever my friends visit, they're like, oh snap, what is that? The first big benefit is that I do a lot of reading on my desk. For students, if you're studying, this is also great for you. Let me tell you why. Let's say I'm reading a book and I want to change the song. I'll either pick up my phone or turn on my computer, and bam, now I'm either on YouTube or TikTok, distracted. With this, when I'm reading or studying and I want to find a new song or change it, I just use the car thing and I don't have the chance to be distracted. I know it seems like a really small thing, but it's important for me to keep my focus and flow. This is what helps. And if I really don't want to look up, I just use voice control and I say, hey Spotify, next song. If I get a phone call, I can easily pause the song or turn down the volume. It's also really easy to access other playlists. This is something you can't easily do with just simple forward and next buttons built into the keyboard. I can use a touchpad to browse through different lists, use a scroll wheel, or even better, save my favorite playlists to these buttons up top. To power it, I just plug it into my computer. This way when it turns on, the car thing turns on with it. When I go to sleep, the car thing powers down. It's also incredibly easy to mount. I'm using the sticker mount, and then the car thing just attaches magnetically. The reason I'm able to use this indoors is because of Spotify's connected ecosystem. I have Spotify on my computer, which are what my speakers are connected to. The car thing only connects through Bluetooth, and I've tried a direct connection with my PC, but that doesn't work. So you have to connect the car thing to your phone first to set it up. Once it's set up, you can then control Spotify from basically anywhere. If I wanted to play from my Alexa speaker in the back of the room, I can also control it using the car thing. Same with my desktop speakers. One downside to note is that the car thing is connected to your phone first and foremost. So if nothing is playing from any speakers and I press play on the car thing, it will play from the phone first. I have to be playing from a separate set of speakers like my desktop before using the car thing. It hasn't been a big deal, but it's something worth mentioning. Okay, for 80 bucks, this did feel a little steep, but I really wanted to try it out because I use a ridiculous amount of Spotify. Here's my rap from last year, 105,000 minutes, which is about 73 straight days of music. I'll drop the link to the car thing down below, as well as to a few of my favorite playlists in case you want to discover a couple new songs. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. It would really help the channel a lot. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you for the next one.